Yes, people, what is going on? Today we have the Toyota GR86 2022 model. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Clutch down, nice GR stop-start button there. Cool little animation. They've decided to go with the digital, but still incorporating some of that analog instrumentals there. Right, we're in the home turf in Japan, in the Ibaraki prefecture. It's quite busy today, so we'll see what kind of footage we can get. Got the 2.4 litre engine this time, flat 4, pushing out 228 brake horsepower, around 184 pounds-foot of torque, and a claim 0 to 60 time in about 6.1 seconds. Not bad at all. But we want to see how it drives, so please enjoy. Oh, very nimble, nice and rapid. Hugs the road nicely. Lively engine. Just lovely 6-speed manual transmission. Nice short throw, gears slot in nicely. It's quite busy up here today, but what can we do about that? Absolutely nothing. Lightweight is great, keeps it nimble. Coming cyclist here. Opportunity to overtake. Nice engine note. It does have the stock exhaust, so I'm sure it'll be a lot nicer sounding with the aftermarket. Suspension not too firm and not too soft, just right. I think with the modifications here, there's going to be a lot of possibilities. This is great, this is good fun. It's a fun little car. It's good they've updated the engine to 2.4. Gives it a bit more power. To enjoy that NA fun. Hey, that quick turnaround, lovely. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, throw me a comment. What would you like to see next? And I'll try to make that happen. Peace out.